Hi guys, it's Shami. So today I'm playing in my composition art journal. So this is what it looks like. And this is a new one that I just started. So some pages you've seen if you follow me on Instagram. I have some backgrounds, just a bunch of different stuff in here. But I found this image in a magazine and I remembered that one of you guys had a question about or wanted more to see more tutorials that included using magazine pages. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to let you watch the process. I'm just going to use this full image. This is going to be super quick. And basically you're going to look for an interesting image. This one's really interesting for so many reasons. But I also am interested in this open space here because we're going to do a list. We're going to create a list on this magazine page. And I love to do this when I kind of don't have time or I'm not creative. You can just grab an image and make a list on it and it looks really cool afterwards. So I'm going to let you watch the process and let's get started.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. seeds of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows are